Fine, you no come back today, divine. No come back today, yeah.
You go see me now.
Boy.
My plan is just by this weekend or next week, I'll contact someone to do my bed frame. Like something simple, yeah. And then there'll be one fancy bedside, this side. Then I plan to have like just one small like deck setup here with like a small chair here, just for like quick work, right? With my TV setup over here, AC there. That's just the plan, sha. And money. So view this shit, share it, and attend the live. So on our social media progress, we have been having good progress overall. We are still seeing some ups and downs in some platforms, right? Because we are yet to optimize some in different ways, and we're still trying to work on that. As you know, when you're starting a brand, for those that have started a brand before and the brand is doing good, or for those that are starting a brand, we know that it requires a lot of effort from you, the person founding the brand, or if you're a co-founder, like in that situation, it requires a lot of effort from us personally and a few others. So it takes a lot of manpower. So we're trying to work with our strengths, and then with time we also rectify some of these issues to make sure that we are getting maximum reach. So far so good. On TikTok, we are close to 3,000 followers. That's good. YouTube is having good, it's okay. I won't say it's so good, but okay for performance. Even though we are not even really sharing anything on the YouTube, but there are some videos that are doing good on its own. X too, our X have been having issues. In fact, our X is currently search banned. We are thinking of only getting a new X because we have been trying to work around that. That is why, if you see our videos on X, we use our personal platforms to promote them. That is it for our social media progress. So far, so good. We are on the good track to hit 5,000 followers by next weekend. Then yeah, also another thing that happened today that I'm very excited was that I landed a job, a new gig, and the pay is quite okay for the work to do. Also in our community, speaking of jobs, right, because we don't only share the success stories of building. And one way we have been doing this that has been effective so far is through the Page workshop. It's a workshop designed to take you from being clueless about Web3 jobs or not having results to actually learning how to land good paying gigs. Right? And just like the way I landed a good paying gig today, and others have been doing, and also learning and optimizing their profiles on others. We just finished our first season of the Page workshop class, and I'm moving to the next phase next week, which is the job hunting aspect. First of all, I'm going to have a review session for all those that have been following the season 1 due to check marks that will be checking on that session. And from there, we'll set a start date for the new challenge of community. Keep that up too. So, progress everywhere, slowly but surely, we keep building. See you on the